Okay, so for this video, so I'll try to explain the importance between repositioning positions, angling, and repositioning yourself. For example, when someone's attacking you here, mostly the natural response of people is either to move forward, or if you are trained, or move backward. But for someone who are not trained, most of the time they will be flinching, like drawing back. But most of the time, not enough for you to deflect a strike. For example, if he's striking you here, if you're not trained, then someone's gonna cut you on the head. Okay, so in our case or mostly Filipino martial arts, what we want is to angle. So, for example, there's a reason why there's a B step to move forward while angling. We call it ilag pasugod. So you're deflecting. But the problem with this one is, for example, he's attacking me here and I move forward. I'm on the range. So what I want is to move on the side for me to be able to what do you call this, deflect it in nature, and then I can still attack. So, but the problem is not easy. Okay, so that's the reason why you drill set. There's three ways to do it. For example, if he's attacking me here, I can move backward, or I can move on the side so I can still attack him, or I can just deflect it and counter attack. But for now, my focus is mostly to move on the side. So side meaning I'm not gonna go move forward or I'm not gonna use the B. What I'm gonna do is move on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna strike him or him here, and then what we're gonna do is move backward. I move on the side and then counter attack with an X. For example, if I'm attacking here, so I'm in his range. For example, if you can see here, I'm not in his range, but definitely my hand is in his range. So the concept of closest weapon against closest target. Okay, so his weapon is this one, and my closest target is definitely my arms. Okay, so you need to drill set in a way that you need to feed it slowly and progressive into feeding it really hard. But for now, so let's feed it precisely, which is slow. One, counter attack. Abutin mo talaga. One, two. One, two. Okay. So, and the importance in our case, there is also an importance of positioning your arms. For example, if I attack here and we're equal, the moment we drop our stick, I'm gonna be dropping my hand more lower so I can attack you first, and then the moment he lowers his weapon, I'm gone. So that's the most important. Okay. Again, this is the drills. One, two. That's it. So you can still run. You can still reach me. One. You can still reach me while I can't. Well, definitely I also can. The only difference is if I strike him, I need to reposition myself so I can attack him. But in a quick motion, I'm gone. Oh, he's gone already. Okay, in a quick response, meaning I'm gonna go here and then I'm gonna move on the side. Then definitely you're gone. Okay, so that's the drills. I want you to practice it. Move, good. Move, two, move, three, move. Okay, so biggest question here is how about if I launch an attack by moving backward? So that's the only important there is now the timing. You need to really know when he will gonna attack so you can move. If he's past here, moving forward, you need to be past as well. For example, if I'm here, and then I move, so he needs to be past as well. Okay, so it depends on your opponent. Okay, so practice it, get used to it, and master it. So if you want to learn from us, so please join us. We're here every Sunday, so 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then if you want to learn online, so I'm also available in online. And we also have online courses for Rapid Reduced College. So practice it, get used to it, and master it. Thank you, and see you on the next one.